To transfer money from PayPal to Shop, follow these steps. First, withdraw the funds from PayPal to your bank account by logging into your PayPal account and linking your bank account if you haven't already. This can be done by navigating to the Wallet section and selecting the Link Bank Account option. Then entering your bank details to establish the connection. Once your bank account is linked, initiate the withdrawal by going to the wallet, clicking on Transfer Money and selecting Transfer to your bank account. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and complete the transaction. The standard bank transfer from PayPal typically takes 1 to 3 business days to complete. After the transfer is complete, top up your Shop wallet via bank transfer. Open the Shop app, log into your account, and access the Shop section. Tap on Shop from the home page. Click on Top Up and choose Bank Transfer as your top-up method. Select your bank from the list of supported banks and follow the instructions provided by Shop, which will include specific bank account details and a unique reference code. Use your bank's online banking platform or mobile app to transfer the desired amount to the provided bank account, making sure to include the reference code. Finally, Shop will verify the transaction, and the funds will appear in your Shop wallet within the specified time frame. The processing time may vary depending on the bank and the time of transfer. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer money from PayPal to Shop.